How much time does your CCTV team lose between a site survey and a final quotation? A floor plan here, camera calculations there, network details somewhere else. And one small change can mean recalculating everything. Now imagine taking that same project from floor plan to network design to quotation, without treating each part as a separate task and everything happening within minutes in MAPOG. That's the idea behind a modern CCTV planning. And it's where field sales and service can make a difference. The project starts with a lead, which can move into a deal. From there, the actual CCTV requirement can be planned instead of being managed through scattered notes. For the camera design, you can work on a blank canvas or bring in an existing floor plan. Rooms, walls, doors, and other structures can be represented visually, giving the camera layout a proper context. Then comes the part CCTV professionals care about most: camera placement and coverage. Add cameras to the plan, select the required camera model, and adjust the field of view, rotation, and resolution according to the project. But a CCTV system isn't just cameras. POS switches, NVR, internet, router, and monitor also need to fit into the design. With the devices placed visually, the proposed system starts looking like an actual installation plan. And instead of leaving the network as a mental calculation, connect the equipment with cables and check the network before installation. You can also add text labels such as room names, making the plan easier for customers to understand and technicians to follow. Here's where the workflow becomes especially useful. Once the design is ready, the equipment requirement can flow into the quotation. So instead of manually counting every item and calculating the bill again, the quotation is prepared from the project information. Change a camera model. Add another device. The calculations can be updated automatically rather than starting from scratch. That means your floor plan, camera design, network, equipment list, and quotation stay connected. And that connection matters when projects keep changing. Finally, the completed project can be shared through a shareable link, giving technicians a reference during installation and customers a way to review the final design. Because modern CCTV planning isn't just about placing cameras. It's about connecting the entire project, from floor plan to quotation. If you need any help with CCTV business workflow or planning, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.